All right, we're training with Khabib today. One of the greatest fighters of all time, a great human being. It's honestly unbelievable that I have the honor to be able to train with these guys today. I trained with the team yesterday as well. Feel a bit beat up. I actually before this texted George, GSP, asking if he has any advice. I told him I'm training with Khabib. He said, if you die, you die. Thank you very much for that advice, George. I love you, brother. You can tell on these mats, there's been champion after champion after champion. You can feel the history. I'm going to do a podcast with Khabib tomorrow, so this is epic. I'm the luckiest kid in the world. So, all right, now we're going to get back to training. Let's go.
Yes. How are you, my friend? Как дела?
This is my brother Khabib who owns this hotel. He's my friend.
Hey there, brother. I was like, is that Lex Friedman? Nice to meet you.
Wait.
Yes.
Tomorrow training with him. 8 morning. Hey, same energy.
He's always got a smile.
Big song. You got some of the greatest of all time on the mat right now. You got Alex, Khabib, Amanda. Talking, he's gonna win. Just be quiet and go to the mats.